Hello and welcome to Instacart, your worldwide instrument partner. So this is a wood moisture meter or a moisture meter which can be used during the building construction. It can see the moisture in the wood, cardboard sheet or any building material while you are working onto such kind of environment. The basic facility of this meter is that it has got a pin and pinless contact both, which means that this pin has to be inserted into the wood to find out the moisture for the right accuracy. Even if the pin is not inserted, it can still give you the result. Okay, so this moisture meter can be used in wood, building material, wallboard, sheetrock, plaster, concrete and mortar also. Apart from that, on whatever subject you want to see the moisture, you can use this as the right device. Now at the back you can see in the pin and pinless mode what is the moisture level which can read. So there's a different moisture level which can read in pin and pinless mode both. So the sensor type, as we can tell, this is for contact pins and pinless sensor, while when we are doing the wood moisture range, the pin would have 5 to 50% humidity check. However, in the pinless, it can go up to 0 to 99%. Other building materials, 1.5 to 33% in pin, and for pinless, it will be 0 to 99%. It gives a resolution of 0.1%, and it has got a high, medium, or low level to tell you the moisture content in the subject. Works with the battery. And this is how you can insert to the subject actually. Comes with the user manual. Thanks for watching.